Instead of normal video, let's check out what Sonoff has sent me as a Christmas gift to put under my tree. We'll start in a couple of seconds. Let's start by saying that I really do like both the color, because this is a color of how you usually get Sonoff devices packed, but also the size. It's looked a bit larger than it actually is. Plus I also like how this suitcase looks inside. Let's open it up and see what we have here. Ta-da! Let's start with this one. This is a neck pillow. If you're traveling with airplane, bus or with a car, you can use this pillow around your neck to enable you to sleep better. Some others, well, actually the ones that I do have, they are inflated by air. So this one is really nice. And we have here your partner in progress, Sonoff, Merry Christmas. Also, one thing I must congratulate them. Most of the Western companies are very awake or have been awoken lately and would use something like Happy Holidays or Happy Time when you may be celebrating something, but they did stick with Merry Christmas. So congrats to Sonoff for that. Let's open this compartment here. Yeah, of course, we do not have anything under the paper, but once again, I really do like how they thought of everything, and even this paper matches their devices. Okay, first I will pull everything up, then we will unbox it. We have two devices, presence sensor and the new ZigBee door window sensor. I like because both of them are ZigBee. This one I have already recorded video and I will be posting a link here about it. And I'm not sure I have seen or recorded this one here, so I'm really looking forward to play with this one. Then we have a written card. Dear friend, thanks for your incredible support and being an essential part of our journey over the past year. Wishing you Merry Christmas and a happy unboxing. There is also PS and best regards, Sue and the Sonoff team. And Sue, thank you, because we lately do not receive a lot of handwritten cards, so I really am thankful for this card and of course this gift too. Okay, let's see, besides those two things, what else do we have inside? We have your partner in progress, Sonoff. I like how everything is tied together. Let's see. Oh, this is a mouse pad pad. Again, your partner in progress, Sonoff. This is a phone holder. Then we have nice, it's a squishy Sonoff notepad. Merry Christmas. And this looks like a dragon, because next year we will have a Year of the Dragon. Let's open up everything and look inside. We'll finish with the devices last, so let's start, for example, with this one here. It feels leathery. Sonoff Merry Christmas. Ooh, I need to give this to my daughter. She's very bad at conversions. Nice. Then we have mousepad palm. Haha. It's actually nice. Nice, I like it. Let's see what we have here. Stand for the mobile phone. I know that I will not be using this one because my daughter will probably take it away and put it on her own desk because she spends too much time on her mobile phone. But at least if she's using it and if it's on her desk, as a future potential customer, she will know who the Sonoff is. It's nice, it's a metallic, it has rubber here, also feet are rubber, it doesn't glide. Yeah, it's actually very nice phone stand. Okay, then we have this one here. Ooh, this is really sharp. These are stickers. Magnetic, so this can be installed somewhere, for example on the fridge, I guess. I should check the translation of this. If all goes as planned, I will do Google Translate with photo of this text here, but I presume that this is related to the upcoming Year of the Dragon. And we are not superstitious in terms of everybody saying that the Year of the Dragon will be problematic. We know that this will be super because we like dragons, don't we? Okay, and let's check those two devices. SNZB-03P manual. There is no cable, is there? No, there is no cable in this box. This is the device. You have 3M that can be used to adhere this to the whatever you want. There is a magnet inside. It's a magnetic device. We have code here, which means it will be Matter compatible device. We have pairing button, but actually this is the other one. This is SNZB-03P. So this is a motion sensor. It looked a bit different than the one that I covered, but doesn't matter. And the last thing we have here is this door window sensor. We have code here. Again, I presume that this could be used for Matter compatibility. Oh, this is the, well, actually, it's funny how not a lot of devices have this here. I have never seen it, but instantly I knew what's the catch here. So this is a door window sensor. You align those two parts here, and when the window is opened or tilted or the door is open, it triggers. We have a button here. This you pull for the pairing process. Double-sided tape is here, but actually we also have here small button. I don't know if you can see this small button. This one is used as a temper switch, meaning that if the device is lifted, it would get out and be triggered, so you have notification that somebody has messed with the alarm, which is a nice catch. I don't think that this puts a lot of the extra cost on the device, but it's very, very nice feature. Nice. I'm looking forward to try and play with this one here. And this is it. I know that I will be receiving from one other company also something very soon, hopefully in a couple of days. And if you do like content like this, I will also record that second video about that second company and few devices they're sending. Actually, I didn't know what's inside this bag before it arrived today. And I have zero idea what will be inside that other case. So if you want to see also that one, drop me a link, like a video, and I will do the same thing. Sorry for a bit of different content, but I think it's nice to break the normal routine. And this is it for this short video. I really do hope that you did like the video, and I would especially like to thank Sonoff for sending me this surprise gift. Thank you very much. As always, with any new gadget I receive, I will be playing with it, and hopefully, if the device is okay, you will be seeing a video about that device in the future. I'm talking here about the Zigbee door and window sensors. But before I wrap up this video, I really would like to thank all those wonderful people that are supporting me and that have become YouTube channel members. Thank you all for all of your support. But let's not forget each and every one of you who has watched, liked or subscribed to my channel. If you too want to support the channel, you can do so by clicking the join button down below and becoming a YouTube channel member for only €2 or $2 per month. Or you can go to my merchandise store and buy a hoodie like this one, or you can do a super thanks and I will be super thankful for that. I will be seeing you next time. Until then, bye bye and have fun.